Natural ways to keep your hands looking youthful and reduce signs of aging. Our hands age faster than most of our body parts, especially in women, because we usually focus on our face and how to postpone the appearance of wrinkles as much as possible. But we expose our hands to the sun and other harmful elements more than any other part of our body. This article will provide you with some natural ways to keep your hands looking youthful and reduce signs of aging. Hand care routine. First, you need to protect your hands from harmful sun rays by using SPF 50 or higher sunscreen, frequently when you are outside. Sun exposure causes dark patches and age spots on the hands over the years. Therefore, you need to protect your hands as well as your face by applying sunscreen. If you already have age spots, apply lemon juice regularly to treat them. Always keep your hands hydrated by applying lotions and creams throughout the day to moisturize them and maintain their elasticity. When choosing between hand lotions and creams, make sure you choose the right one for your skin type to get the most out of it. Of course, drinking water is irreplaceable and is one of the main reasons behind plump, healthy, and glowing skin. Dry skin equals dead skin. Therefore, you need to exfoliate the dead skin by mixing lemon juice and sugar, and when you're done, apply lanolin cream. Make sure you're not overdoing it to avoid harming your skin. 1 week is more than enough. Are you finding this video valuable so far? Then consider hitting the like button, as it really helps the growth of our channel. Wear gloves. Always protect your hands while you're washing the dishes, cleaning, or gardening. Many ignore wearing gloves while washing the dishes. However, if you want to keep your hands looking young and feeling soft, you have to wear gloves, as dish detergents are not designed for skin use and can be harsh on the skin. Use essential oils. Essential oils help reduce the appearance of age spots and improve skin elasticity and health. Surprisingly, there is an essential oil for every skin type, but frankincense, lemon, and lavender oils are famous for working wonders on your skin. When you're buying essential oils, make sure to buy them from trusted sellers. It is important to understand that nothing can make wrinkles disappear. We are human beings and we are supposed to age. The above tips can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and help us age gracefully. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video if you found it valuable.